Dear friends, this is my first lecturer. Now I am going to explain here a very simple problem, a common problem, everybody knows it. Laws of motion and one of its application. What is the importance of this sum? Importance of this sum is how can you solve the problem within limited time, what you call time management. So for time management during practice, you have to find out an artificial formula. If you can use the formula directly, then it is possible to solve this sum within 40 to 60 seconds. Now let us start. The topic is laws of motion. That is, one application is for continuous mass distribution. Continuous mass distribution. I am taking, that is, this is a uniform rod of cylindrical shape or rectangular shape, having, that is, mass m, length L, mass m, length L. Now an external force F is acting at end B towards right as shown in the figure. Your aim is to calculate tension anywhere within this rod. Anywhere you can calculate the tension within 40 seconds. So just we will derive an artificial formula. That is, you take, suppose your aim is to calculate that is a tension somewhere here. That means that point, that section divides the uniform rod or bar into two pieces. One mass is m1 having length suppose x, another mass m2 having length rest l minus x. So this shows that m equal to m1 plus m2, whereas m1 is mass per unit length into length of that section, and m2 is mass per unit length into length of the section m2. So this is the mass. Now that is tension here. That is, if you assume this object like this, if you assume this object like this, that is Tt, this is m1 and this is m2. Now our aim is to find out T. This is section length x. Now use free body diagram or force to this section only. That is, I can write T equal to general formula m into a. But what is acceleration? Only force acting on the entire system is F divided by total mass of this system is only m1 plus m2. So this is nothing but F divided by the original mass of the system. So now, therefore, what is T? Therefore, what is T? T is m1 into A. A means F divided by M. So what is M1? Then you put again, M1 is here, that is M by L into X into, that is F divided by M. Now M, they get cancelled. This is F by L into X. So therefore tension at any point is F by L into X. Tension at any point. This is your formula. Suppose a problem is given to you. Total length is L. Total length is L. And you find out tension. You find out tension at L by 3, 1/3 length from left to end. 1/3 end from left to end. That means I am taking, this is a point at x equal to L by 3. At x equal to L by 3, your t equal to f by L into L by 3. This is f divided by 3. This is the force. Suppose f is given 2 Newton. So now your answer is 2 by 3 Newton. Suppose that is, if the point is given, that is you calculate t, L by 3 from right end, L by 3 from right end, that is L by 3 from right end means x equal to, you put 2L by 3, x equal to, you can put 2L by 3. If you put x equal to 2L by 3, then t is f by L into 2L by 3. This is 2f divided by 3. 2f divided by 3. So this is your formula. Therefore, from left or right, whatever may be, if you know this formula, so it is possible to solve, that is, this problem within 1 minute freely, without any tension. That is, you can put the values, calculate, you cannot find out any mistake. Thank you. If you like this video, so write comments, like me, so that I can give you more videos. For each problem, you will get one technique. Thank you.